Greetings from almost San Diego. What we're showing you here is the trip out of Arizona, up through the desert mountains, and down into San Diego. It was a rather uneventful drive. It's extremely dry out here, as you can see. It's normally dry out here, hence desert, but it's below normal even for desert standards. And I just wanted to show a few clips of what it looks like driving the pass up over the mountains, down the other side into San Diego. Although traffic really increased as we got closer into the San Diego area, so we did not video much into San Diego. But it's really interesting. It's so dry, it almost looks moonscape-like. It's so dry out there. And when we started down at the bottom, it was, I believe, 101 degrees or 98 or something like that. And then in San Diego, it was in the low 70s. It was just beautiful. Now, there's a couple things I want to share with you about San Diego that we did not know as tourists who've never been. First, buy the city pass. It's going to save you a lot of money if you have a family with kids. Included in the city pass are trips to the museums, which we unfortunately did not get to see. You could take a float trip out into the bay. We did a city trolley with the pass. We went on the USS Midway, which was unbelievable neat. And then we did the San Diego Zoo. And there's other things that you could see. A couple things that we did not particularly like. The zoo was disappointing to us, although the pandas from China were really neat. It was so crowded, so many people there, and it just was not a good experience for us, really. If you're really into exotic animals and you don't mind huge crowds, then that will be the place for you. And another bit of advice, take an entire day to ride the trolleys. If you want to ride the trolleys, don't try to squeeze it into an afternoon like we did. So there's downtown right there, right where we were staying. This is pretty funny right here. Their sign, wrong way, pothead. But anyway, spend an entire day for the trolleys because you'll discover a place that you really like and want to spend a lot more time at. We did not do that, and next time we go back, we want to spend an entire day visiting Little Italy. It looked like an amazing place. I've heard they have amazing food, so spend an entire day for just the trolley. I didn't get to see the lighthouse, so I would like to have spent more time and been able to go up and see one of their lighthouses. But you're looking at some of the flowers right now and just how well manicured everything is out here. Look at that, the cactus, the flowers. I said in the video here that if I could go back and I was getting ready to graduate high school and I'd do it all over again, I think I would move to San Diego and be a horticulturalist or a landscaper, especially a landscaper out here, make millions of dollars. All these places were professionally landscaped and just beautiful. And this right here is an apple tree, it looks like. And it's in the process of, it has ripe fruits, it has fruits that are still growing and bloom, so it looks like it produces constantly. I thought that was really, really neat. We're just a couple blocks away from our motel here, which is right on the ocean. It's an amazing place where we stayed. I would highly, highly, highly recommend it. Hey, look at that guy walking by. Hello. And here's where we're staying. The Inn at Sunset Cliffs. It's set inside of a botanical garden. Amazing. Lined with roses. And right on the other side of all that is the ocean. Flowers everywhere here. Smells like a botanical garden, like I said. Just perfect setup. Here's another view up the beach from us. This right here would make a really good picture. This is in the courtyard area with the pool behind us that overlooks the ocean. Flower petals falling onto the ground, flowers everywhere. Really pretty sunset. Lots of people watching it up the road and even beyond there. Just like I keep saying this whole trip, this place is no secret. That is amazing. Something I keep saying over and over on this trip. How's that for a view? And now, after that amazing sunset, I am starting some chicken for some chicken stir fry. We can go eat out tonight and spend, with a couple drinks and dinner for four, $150 easily, or we can spend $25 and have a really good chicken stir fry. And that's what we have opted to do.
I put one on the ground.
Stir fry coming right along.
One right. Yeah. One right.
I have never seen a flower like this. No idea what that is, but it's really pretty. On La Jolla Beach in San Diego. Walking onto the USS Midway. It's already impressive. Wow, this thing's enormous. Now on the downtown trolley. It has a handful of stops. You can see here, I just have they're open air, just the rail right here. I'm gonna travel around this beautiful downtown on the trolley. Kansas City barbecue. Right in downtown San Diego.
Because there's other sides and other parts. Creating fantastic